Okay, so I want to show you a practice now which I call standing yawning yoga. So it's similar to what we've done before in the sitting yawning yoga practices. So we'll still use the breath where it's blowing, or the open throat, going down. Still use the first Taiso opening exercise, where we bring the hands up and forwards like we did in the sitting position. But this time we've got a few more Taisos, or these kind of awakening exercises to work with. So the first one is the hands coming up, reaching forwards, leaning forwards, and then feeling into your lower back, and then just let go and release. The second one, I'll show you from behind. So breathing in, holding on to the wrist, and then pulling in the shoulders in, so you're pulling in tight around the area between the shoulder blades, and then pulling down, so you get a comfortable tightness. So I'm just demonstrating quickly at the moment, and we'll do it together. Third practice is focused around the shoulder girdle. So breathing in and leaning forwards from the shoulder girdle. Fourth is to come back. So I'm going to show you from the front as well. So we're just taking the shoulder girdle back, so it's wide. So before we did it narrow into the centre of the shoulders, the back of the heart. Now we're going wide back. Release. The fourth is to bring the hands up and to lean back a little bit, hands curl over forwards. Release. The fifth is to reach up. Up. Six is like a spinal twist, so just turning. So I'm coming to hold the right wrist now, reaching up a little bit and twisting the body. And down. Again. And down. So I'm just showing at the moment. I'll do it for real with the breath. And after you've done that, the final stage is just a free form to make any shape that comes. So let's do it with the breath. Just calming for a second. So breathing in. So I'm kind of going out, do it again, going out to the end of the breath, concentrating in this quiet place. And then kind of coming in like a release mechanism. It's almost like some plants where they release their seeds and there's kind of a flick. So you want this kind of edge, oh, and then pulling back in. So I kind of see it like a kind of Gollum, my precious kind of thing, which comes in and release. Another way that's possible is to go out, 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 and just drop. I prefer that on the ground, but you can just drop down. And just blow. Let everything calm inside. So you could do any of these Taisos 3 times perhaps. I'll do one more. And go on to the second one, so behind the back. So these are not all as dramatic. There's just a sense of releasing the spring. Oh. I'll just do it once, but you could do it 3 times. And the next one. So this is important that you allow the ripples to be processed, to feel them. I feel like I still want to work more in the throat and let it calm down and settle, otherwise it builds up the pressure inside. And what I want is to use this kind of this stone into the pond to wake up something, to bring some stuff up, and then to let it soothe, smooth out. In case you've not watched earlier videos, the pond is my own idea of our energy, our hara, our subconscious, the body tensions, and we're dropping a little stone in stimulation, and then the ripples come, and then we want to stretch and move to go with them, to process them, to blow the cooling breath, or just to come to stillness, to let these settle down. Going on to the fourth movement behind. So you rest at any time. You don't want to feel too tired or be forcing inside the stomach area. So this is to find your own balance, to balance your chemistry. Have the right amount of calming, waiting, stillness. At any time, if you felt, you could just come down and lie on the ground. And you don't even need to complete this series because it may be enough. You can do the next one coming up. To the sides, spinal twist. The other side. Do a little bit more, but I can already feel I'm wanting to go down to the ground. So we'll just do a little bit more standing, and then I'm going to lie down. It's a freestyle. Yeah, so you can't know how this is going to be on any day. Today, I feel a little tired, so I prefer to be lower down, but I want to show and just model this video for a moment. So we'll do one more. Yeah, so for me, I have a feeling of wanting the ground, and so that's good. There's an honesty in this. You follow the honesty, the feeling. Thank you very much.